What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be picking up right where we left off last time. We're going to be starting back up on the Miata. We're going to be cutting some more of the front end. I'm going to try to wire manage some of the engine bay, and I may start in the interior today depending on how everything goes. So let's just jump right into it. All right.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright, everybody, so where I left off from yesterday's video, which sadly didn't actually come out till like super early today that I'm filming this video, I did manage to grind back the front of the car, so that's all done. We're just waiting on materials so I can plate this and plate this to get ready to build the front end. But I did start speaking with my buddy Sam about a few things, and because of the new angle mods we are working on, almost, I think like right about here, all of this has to not be here anymore because he's afraid that we're gonna actually hit. I'm not sure, honestly. I mean, I'm already rubbing up in there. That's the thing I showed in yesterday's video. You can see some rubbing marks. Again, some of this is a little kind of messed with your head a little bit because I was running those 17s earlier last season, or this past season, and those would just bite just from being in here. So I don't know what of these is actually from us using the 15s this year. But yeah, so we're going to try to take out probably about that much, about right here, and just right to about there. But all of this is going to try to come out today, as well as I am going to try to clean up this engine bay a little bit more. So we've got excess sensors, like the airbag sensor, the front impact sensor, I guess is what you would call this. This doesn't need to be here anymore. I need to manage up some of this stuff that I don't need. Like the hood latch is obviously going because we can't use that anymore because I'm not going to reuse that. We're going to use hood pins and be more like normal race car people. But yeah, I'm going to try to manage some of that stuff. I've got stuff on this side I need to manage. I may or may not start on the interior today, which it really just depends on how everything goes. But yeah, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get the saws already, I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod, I'm going to start marking out where in here I think I need to cut, and then we'll go. All right, there we go. So that's a lot more wheel clearance. But that's just so that I don't rub as bad, which will be good. I'm gonna have to do some more modifications to the frame rail some more. But yeah, that's about what we were going for. We managed to take just a little bit more weight out of the front end. That is still within the rules. I'm allowed to modify it from in front of the strut towers or behind the rear strut towers. So that'll work. Again, I may need to I may have to bend this or cut this or fold this up. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna talk with Sam. He'll know more about that than I will. But yeah, so that's how much more room you can get out of the front end just by giving yourself some more space in the wheel wells, because you really don't need all that room. Like, this is the room you need right here. Like, look, you even managed to get where I think most of the rub marks were from the second wheel setup we were running in the second half of the year, because I'm pretty sure all this is from the 17s. You know, I'm almost positive now these are from the 17s, but from the 15s I think everything was all the way up here, and that's where I was getting that wheel bite from. So now you don't have to worry about that as much. What else? I mean, that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to start trying to do some cable management or some wire management in the engine. I'm not terribly sure how I'm going to get most of these wires terminated. I might get lucky because it looks like most of the airbag sensors have clips on them, so I should just be able to unclip it, and that'll pretty much do away with all the airbag sensors. And then the lights, I think I'm just going to pull some bulbs out and tuck up some wires for the time being until we're ready to start on the lights. So I think that's it. I may start mocking up to where I'm going to put things, because I need to get a new overflow tank, because the overflow tank used to mount, or the coolant overflow used to mount right here. So now I need to find a better place to put that. I might stick it back there because I'm not running the reservoir anymore, and I can put the oil cooler up here, or the oil cooler, and put the overflow or the catch can, that's the word I'm looking for, up on this mount, which is where the old, dang, my brain's not working today just yet. Charcoal canister used to be, which I did get rid of that too. That really didn't like lose weight. I didn't need it. So. Alright, so that pretty much got rid of both of these on either side, which these run to the impact sensors for the airbag. These accidentally got, or we had to cut these just to get them off the front end because we couldn't actually get them dismounted from the front corner panels. They're like up under here. So we just kind of cut them. They're still intact. Like I gotta rewire these, but I'm not going to use them. So I got both of those out. This is the front airbag impact sensor that mounts underneath where the hood latch goes. So that's all out. Let's see what else we can do. I might have to take a minute here. Let me take a minute and think, and let's see what else we can actually get done today. Alright everybody, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been like 2 hours since I picked up the camera last. It's officially gotten dark, and it's also getting colder by the minute here in Texas. It officially feels like winter. It's like 35 out right now, which is chilly. So I'm gonna pretty much call it here for the day. I know I didn't feel like I got a lot done today, but I did kind of get more of an understanding where we're gonna put everything, and I did manage to clean these up. And just give myself a lot more room here, as you guys saw. So I'm really excited for that. That's going to make the angle kit just work so much better when it finally gets here, because the angle kit's holding us up, the raw material's holding us up, and getting the tubing bender, because that's still on its way too, is also holding us up to just kind of like get the whole front end kind of done. In the meantime, however, tomorrow's video we are going to move on to some other stuff because we're at a perfect stopping point up here. There's really not much more I can do. So tomorrow's video, you guys will see me either start tearing into the interior or actually start on the trunk, because there's some stuff in the trunk I need to fix, mainly like the battery box. I need to clean up the battery acid because evidently battery acid has been leaking all over it, and I need to fix I do need to fix the grounding wire, and I do need to add a cutoff like switch thing because this car seems to want to drain battery power. That's mainly because there's lights in there that I can't turn off. So, but yeah, so thank you guys for watching today. Again, I know this was a short video. I apologize. We're gonna have much longer videos coming up because once I have all of the tools and materials here to start doing the rest of the fabrication work, those videos will be way more jam-packed with stuff, and those actually may end up being multiple day videos, so we'll see about that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up right here, guys. Like I said, it's getting cold, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, enjoy life.